morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at a Red Carnation crystal diamond kit from Fgnormal that I completed in July of 2022. The Red Carnation was $4.99 at Fgnormal. At one point the link wasn't working, so I included the SKU number with the link in the show notes to make it easier to search the site. I ordered the pattern from Fgnormal on August 27th, 2021, and it arrived on September 7th, 2021, 2 weeks later, with 12 diamond colors on this full crystal drill pattern and its small size of 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, or just under 12 inches by 12 inches. This is a perfect snack size kit. It took me about 12 hours to complete. The crystal colors are matched to DMC colors. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I completed the Red Carnation in July of 2022. This happy red and pink full drill crystal pattern was a joy to work on. It's got beautiful artwork. It's a beautiful flower. I love the reds and pinks. I've been working on a lot of diamond kits with strict row by row and column by column grids. This was a really good change. It is all confetti. There's almost no possible straight lines in the pattern. Maybe by accident in some places. I would wholeheartedly recommend it as an excellent beginner pattern for someone looking to try crystal diamonds. There's enough confetti or color changing to keep anyone interested, and because of its shiny crystals, its beautiful artwork, and its small size, it's not overwhelming. If you choose to do this Red Carnation from Fgnormal, I hope you have as much fun doing it as I did. If you have a masterpiece that you created, please leave a link in the comments to your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. site to share your beautiful work. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.